Gamers, it's your boy, the guy who doesn't upload for 6 months because I'm bad at uploading and I have no ideas. As you can see, I got a new case. This one has been serving me since 2015. It's very old. It's showing its age. So I'm gonna put it in a nice, pretty new box. And it's been a very long time. This has undergone a lot of part changes. I just realized I haven't actually had a cohesive list in a while. So I'm just gonna kind of explain everything, all my wasted money. It's not actually wasted. This was a very nice investment. So to start off, I've got this Core i7 6850K. It's a 6-core 12-thread processor, and it's definitely showing its age, but I mean, it does everything I need it to. It might not be as fast as the latest 3rd gen Ryzen, because AMD's just kind of crapping out new processors like the night after Taco Bell. 32 gigs of Vengeance RGB memory, 3000 megahertz. It's got magic glowies. That's all. That's the best thing I can say about it. I love it to pieces, and it does everything I need it to. That's all plugged into this thing over here. This is the Asus Strix X99 Gaming, and as you can see, I got this thing on clearance. Let's go, saving monies. At the heart of it all is this, my prized possession, my GTX 1080 Ti that I got straight from NVIDIA. They were like, hey, you're a neato dude, have this free graphics card. That's not what happened. The RNGesus blessed me and decided to make me a giveaway winner. And it's got not 1, not 2, but 3 drives in it. I've got a 500 gig 850 EVO, 1 terabyte 860 EVO. I got 4 terabytes for my mass storage drive. It holds all of this YouTube nonsense. It's all being powered by 750 watts, 80 plus gold goodness. Surprisingly enough, this power supply and this case are the only 2 components in this entire build that are still the originals from when I bought the computer. After this video, it's only going to be this power supply. So probably not gonna upgrade this for a while for a couple reasons. 1, I don't need to. 2, it'll kind of be an homage to the original version of my computer. And then some just pretty bling stuff. I got Corsair LL fans. I've got 3 120s, 2 140s. 2 140s are actually in the front right now. And then these are all going to go on top of my H150i Pro from Corsair. It's a 360 millimeter liquid cooler, and it keeps everything nice and cold, and I love it to pieces. It's very pretty. I almost just tripped and died again. Center of it all is going to be the Corsair Crystal 460X. There's surprisingly very few reviews about this case. Everyone goes for the bigger, more high-end 570X, but this does pretty much everything I've wanted it to do, or well, at least it will when I put everything in. It's not a huge case, but it's pretty big for a mid-tower. I definitely want to keep within the mid-tower game. I really didn't have any other options. I had a couple choices, but it all kind of played down to this. I think that's pretty much the gist of everything. And since I'm bad at talking for prolonged periods of time, I think I'm just gonna put pretty footage. So roll it. So I took my side panel off to get nice pictures without reflections, and yeah, it exploded. I am so mad right now. Oh my god. I have an acrylic window for like 4 years, and then literally 3 days after I put my components in my new case, the glass explodes. On the bright side, we get to learn how to clean up broken glass. And of course, literally none of it landed in the garbage.